Hey, it's story time!
Yay!
And this book is called Fire Safe Ralphie, written and illustrated by Jonathan Meshack. Ralphie became a junior firefighter at Oaks Elementary School. He learned that fire safety is not only smart, but it's also cool. Ralphie reminded his dad to test the smoke alarm once a month and to change the batteries twice every year. His dad said, "Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I have a new alarm battery in this drawer over here." Ralphie asked his mom,
When in a burning building, should you ever hide?
Ralphie's mom quickly said, "Oh, no. You don't ever hide. You go outside." Ralphie asked question after question until it was time for bed. Mom got all the answers correct while Dad did the laundry instead. Earlier, Ralphie said that dryers can start fires from lint filters not being cleaned. So late that night, Dad got up, cleaned their dryer's filter, and turned off the machine. He checked on Rox and Ralphie and tucked them in tight. Then he went to bed, calling it a night. Ralphie woke up as the smoke detector alarmed, but he didn't panic. He was just happy that he hadn't been harmed. Ralphie remembered his fire safety and knew exactly what to do. To avoid breathing in the smoke, he knelt down so low that his nose touched his shoe. Rox followed right behind Ralphie, crawling like a rat or a mouse. They made it out of the room, then safely out of the house. They met at their emergency meeting place that they planned just one day prior. All of a sudden, Mom shouted, "Rox, stop, drop, and roll! Your pajamas are on fire!" Their neighbors came by and said, "We called 911. Firefighters are on the way." Ralphie's mom said, "Thank you, but I don't see Father. I hope he's okay." Ralphie and his family were afraid. They thought, "Should we save Father from the fire?" Then they heard a voice cry, "Don't dare try to rescue me! The consequences could be dire!" Ralphie's dad was yelling out of the bathroom window on the second floor. He said, "Don't worry about me. I'm going to be all right. This I am sure." Firefighters came rushing to their home. Dad was saved, and before long, the fire was gone. Ralphie's dad asked one firefighter, "How did this fire start? My family is a fire preventing team." The firefighter replied, "Oh my, you didn't know. There was no fire, dude. You're just having a really bad dream." Ralphie's dad woke up and remembered everything that Ralphie said about fire safety that day. Then he made an evacuation plan so that if there were a real fire, they would all make it out A-OK. The end. Now, if you would like to keep your children prepared and safe, then all you have to do is scan the QR code and download your very own evacuation plan template. Then you can use that template to create your own evacuation plan so that you can practice a fire drill with your children, keeping them prepared and safe while creating memories at the same time. We love you, we appreciate you, we hope you subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching our video. If you like it, subscribe.